How to block unknown numbers on WhatsApp. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to block unknown numbers on WhatsApp in just few simple steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on the device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now, open the chat from the unknown number that messaged you. It's usually say not in your contacts at the top. Now tap on the number at the top or tap the three dot menu in the corner to see more options. Now scroll down and there you'll see this block option. Tap on block. You can also choose to report and block if the message seems like spam or scam. Confirm by tapping block again. That number will no longer be able to message. You can also delete the chat afterward if you don't want it taking up space. And that's it. This is how you block unknown numbers on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.